Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktails fast step by step. Start by organizing ingredients, tools, and glassware on one clean surface. Prep ice, citrus, and simple syrup in batches so you can work quickly. Use a timely routine. Shake or stir while you garnish the next drink. Clean as you go to maintain speed and flow, and taste as you adjust proportions for consistent results. Organize a small line of work: spirits to the left, mixers to the right, glassware at the front, and garnishes in the middle for efficient reach. Practice standard pours and learn 3 core cocktails you can vary quickly. Use a fixed shaking or stirring rhythm to maintain pace and consistency while multitasking small garnish prep. Label mixers clearly so you never hesitate during busy service. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like for more quick cocktail how-to's. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which keeps countertops spotless between rounds and saves you time on cleanup. It's a small change that makes a big difference when you're hosting. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Work ahead. Juice citrus, slice fruit, and prepare syrups before guests arrive to significantly reduce last-minute tasks. Use airtight containers for prepped items and keep them cold to maintain bright flavors. Create a small garnish station with picks, peels, and herbs so you can finish drinks quickly. Assemble garnishes during a shaker rest or stirring pause to minimize interruptions and keep the service flowing smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.